I just got out of the shower, so I got my wet dog look. All right, how's this little horsetail looking mane? Does it look a little damp, a little wet, like I've been outside singing or dancing in the rain like Fred Astaire? Nope, I was just doing my little shower, brushed my little teethies. That way they're nice and pearly white. Thought I'd wear my Def Leppard shirt today. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching my videos, okay? Now, I like to review LiveGood every day if I can. Okay, I like to talk about the experience and what we are, who we are, what are the products, what is the secret? Is there like some secret sauce or some technique, where some people sign up a gajillion people and everyone else doesn't, or what's the gossip? What's the real products? How come 1.7 million people have almost climbed aboard this thing in 2 years? Okay. This company's very transparent. It's as transparent as I've ever seen another business, where the CEO, he gets on camera and talks just as much as people that are paid to promote the company, like Nader Kazan. He's in charge. He's the VP of marketing and field development. Okay. Nader Kazan. All right. And I'll put his name and contact information below this video. And then, of course, even our I guess the doctor, it's Dr. Ryan Goodkin. He's in charge of creating our products with his wife, Lisa. And, Ben and Nader are definitely involved as well. But you can tell they're health food maniacs. Like, I eat a pizza, but I really do like the products. I want to be in shape, but I can tell our CEO and the people in charge of making our products, I can tell they practice what they preach. There's no doubt about it, which is kind of nice. I feel like I'd be kind of full of poop. Like, I'd be talking about my products and everything else, but then I'd have like a piece of pizza here, and I don't know, I could have a chocolate shake at the same time, just going, guys, you need to get in shape. Hold on, I got to eat my pizza. Okay. But it's very rare that your CEO and the doctors, could be scientists, the creators of the products. They're maniacs. They're probably exercising right now and drinking water and wheatgrass juice. Okay. I'm ready to have a chocolate chip cookie, and it's breakfast time right now. So anyway, I joined LiveGood March of 2023 and became an affiliate and said, I'm going to try this thing out by April of 2023. So about a year and a half ago, I said, ready, set, go. This is my first time I've ever tried to make money online like this. I'm not a network marketing guru. I don't have this big list from 5 to 10 years of having people join me in a business, and then 3 months later, beg them to join another business. Then 6 months later, beg them to join all these affiliate businesses out there. Okay. I'm not that guy. When something works, I stick with it. And LiveGood to me is just, it's affordable. I like it because, for $10 a month with a $40 one-time activation fee to be an affiliate, you get your own website, a capture page where people can put their name and email address in to either join LiveGood or get one nice email for 30 days. That way they get 30 emails and they really get educated about what LiveGood is, just as a business with killer products, but also, hey, if you want to earn money on the membership side, that's why our products are wholesale. Okay, you pay that $10 a month, guys, you're in business. You can resell them with an Amazon store, or maybe put them in your gym, put them in the back of your trunk. Okay, do whatever it takes to earn extra money just retailing and selling the products if you'd like. Or if you just want to take them, put them in your own mouth and get the effects, then why not be a member? Spend $10 because you're probably going to save 40 to 50 a month. Okay, that's my situation. I like to save money. I'm buying LiveGood products no matter what. But when I found out that it was an affiliate company, I just said, oh God, it's $40. Let's see if I can make $50, because that's what I want to spend on products each month, and probably 75 to 100 eventually. Well, gosh almighty, guys, I signed up 100, 200, 300. I almost got 400 people signed up already. And I don't even have experience. All I do is just kind of make videos like this. I email, I write things now and then on social media, and I do it every day. Within reason. I mean, I can't do it every single day, but I love to just screw off and just tell people about the opportunity, inviting you to click a link to watch a video already made. I know you can do this. That's why I put time and energy into video. This time I can't get back. If this is a 10-minute video, there's 10 minutes out of my life. And then it takes me another 10 minutes to build a crappy thumbnail and upload it on YouTube. And before I know it, 30, 40 minutes of my life is gone. But it's worth it. Because if I produce a video, if you're watching live, awesome. But if you watch this replay, God, it could be a year ago I made this video. Maybe 3 or 4 or 6 years in the future. I don't know. I don't know who's going to watch this video, but I enjoy making them for you guys. Okay? Anything I can do to help you be successful too. That's why I give out my real email. People call me too on my cell. All right? Or they get a hold of me on the inbox of my Facebook account. My personal Facebook is the same as business. I don't have like a Live Good business page on Facebook. I probably should, but I'd rather you can see my life, where I live, what I do. And if I can help you and live good, great. And I have some other businesses too that make me quite a substantial amount of this. All right. It all complements Live Good, which is important. So as far as a review, just the first 6 minutes, guys, it's awesome. And if it wasn't, I wouldn't be here. If I wasn't making money, I wouldn't be here. If I thought Live Good was bullcrap, I wouldn't be here. I got other stuff I do. And I'm not looking to retire. All right. I'm very busy. I love to do other stuff, but I make time for Live Good. It's worth my time. Now I'm a guy born in the 60s. Why do you think I have Santa Claus, Kenny Rogers looking little Colonel Sanders? When you got a white beard like this, guys, I didn't dye it this color. Okay. All these cracks on my face, most of them don't show up on this webcam. I'm like, God, right on. Sometimes I look like 4 days younger than my actual age. But yeah, when you're born in the 60s, guys, every day could be a gift at my age. Okay? Why not make it better by taking some nice things like protein powders, supplements, magnesium. We have so many products now, guys. You just figure it out. Go to joincory.com. Just watch that little video, and I hope you do join. And I want you to copy what I do. Okay, I want you to get a business card like at Vistaprint. I want you to buy a custom domain name like I did here from GoDaddy. And when you go to this link, go ahead and watch the video right there. Put your name and email address in and just hit reserve my position. You haven't joined yet. You're just going to get more information about Live Good, and you can opt out anytime you want. And if you want to join, just open up your email and join. Okay. Now, when it comes to the website itself, what I highly recommend is go to the products. Okay, because you want to know what the heck we sell. All right. I mean, can I possibly? Okay, there it is right there. Scroll, check out all the products. Click those little white rectangle boxes that say learn more. It'll tell you the ingredients, how much the pricing is, how to use the product, even competitors' pricing. And look at that. We have so many products now. Go to the bottom. We have nice packages. Hats and shirts even. All right, it's getting colder. Why not get a little hoodie or a beanie cap? Also go to the FAQ. Do you see on the left of my screen? On your cell phone too, it's going to say FAQ. All it is a lot of questions that are already answered. So you don't have to get a hold of me or the company. Just read right here. And then you want to know how we get paid on the membership side. Go to the bottom of your cell phone or just go to the bottom of your computer screen to the left. See where it says pay plan? If your screen is bigger, it'll say affiliate pay plan. And this is the 7 ways we get paid. Now, I think it's kind of boring just to read all 7 ways. I would rather you go to the bottom, say hello to this pretty girl, and watch the YouTube video. Watch it 2 or 3 times. It's not long, but it explains how we get paid on the membership side. You don't pay Live Good an insane amount of money each year to be an affiliate. It's $40 one time for life. You get the website, the capture page, you're done. All you do is get really good at inviting people, how I do, joincory.com. All right, I hope you go there, watch that 6-minute video, make a decision, you're in or out. You need to get a hold of me? Get a hold of me. If not, have a nice day. Thank you for your time. And guys, there's nothing left to do. Live Good does everything else. All right, for $49.95, $40 for the affiliate fee, $9.95 a month. But if you have $100 for $99.95, guys, you can get 12 months for the price of 10. I don't make any more or less. But if you want to join for the year, I recommend doing it. That way you're not doing little $10 bill charges every month. Sometimes that can be a pain in the butt. But it's join according to your budget. I'm in no rush. LiveGood's affordable. That's why we're so darn successful with 1.7 million people. We sign up about 2,000 to 2,500 people per day. We average 60,000 per month. Okay, almost 2 million people in a little over 2 years. It's record breaking. Costco did not do that. Netflix didn't do it. Not even Amazon did it. LiveGood, we're doing it. All right, and it's 2025 here in about a week. All right, so Merry Christmas, Kwanzaa, or you're rocking the Hanukkah. And then January 1st, let's have a Happy New Year. And let's get some good things in your life in 2025. All right, let's just do it. Okay, anyway, I'm done, guys. Thanks for the last 10 minutes. And like I said, if I can help you make a decision, joining LiveGood just as a member or an affiliate, get a hold of me. I know the company really well at this point, okay? And like I said, just go to joincory.com. That's it. All right, guys, I'm done. My work is done. Let me go like this, like I've been so busy clicking my computer mouse. All right, we'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.